Hey there, fellow 3ds Max users. So I will keep this tutorial short and to the point. So this is basically about when you zoom in and sometimes your images start to pixelate. Now over here, it's looking really great, but when I go up close, it's clearly visible, but it also depends on three things. The very first thing is the resolution of your image. Now, as you can see, this is the image I'm using right here. I will open this in front of you, this front view one. Now, until it opens up, you need to simply come right here to this. Okay, wait a second. It opened up. Yeah, so you can see here, and the resolution of my image, you can see right here, it's 1330 by 1330. And yeah, it's a decent image, but as I'm zooming in closer, you can see it's already pixelated like this. So your reference image should be pretty high resolution, but for me, this is fine. That's the first thing. Make sure to check the resolution of your image. Second thing is that you come right here to this little plus sign and go to viewport configuration or this configure viewports. Depending on your 30s Max version, they kind of change. You can also find it right here inside of customize viewport. Sorry, yeah, right here. Viewport configuration was an option here. Yeah, here it is, viewport configuration, and right top of it, we have viewport per view configuration, but anyways, come right here to this one. So anyways, come here, open this up. Hold on a moment. Okay, it's opening up. Come right here to display performance. Now over here, your texture will say 512. Set this to a 2K or a 4K, depending on if you're, let's say you're using other textures, I would recommend to set this to 2K. Now my image resolution is 1330 and hit OK. That's where the tutorial ends, right? You're wrong. Over here, let's pick up a material. Hold on a second. Let me enter the perspective mode. And you can see that these do not have a reference image right here. So let's say that I wish to add a reference image to this one. So I will just select that and pick up its material. You can create your own material and assign it. Okay, here we are. And I will simply drag and drop my, well, my reference image. As you can see, it's already assigned, but I removed it on purpose. Where is the right? Okay, here it is, right over here. I will just choose that, grab it, and drop it right here. Okay, I dropped that right there. Now it's assigned, right? Once you assign it, to make it visible in your viewport, you need to click this option, show in your material. Now I have set this here and it's right there in the right viewport. So, well, obviously we will be able to view it in the left viewport, and here it is. There's my reference image that you can see right now. And also you can see that it's actually really pixelated and blurry. It starts to blur out as soon as, like, I'm not even close, but it's blurring out. So you need to change this to show realistic in viewport, this one, and then you can just toggle it on. And you can see that it's not that bad. Like, see the difference. This is realistic and this is the standard, or whatever, sorry, shaded. Yeah, this is shaded and this is realistic. So this is a step that most of the tutorials on YouTube are missing. So make sure you enable this option as well. If you like the video, drop a like. Thank you.